In today's video, you're going to see the deep sidewall debris cleaning and removal on a client who traveled all the way from Indiana to Michigan to get help with her toenail pain. You might get a little mesmerized today with this up-close footage, so stay tuned. I'm Lori Halloway, known as the Meticulous Manicurist on YouTube and an expert in the field of nail technology, specializing in pedicures.
So what made you decide to come and see me? Just because they hurt?
If you're new here, welcome! Please subscribe and click the bell to turn on your notifications to know when I upload my weekly video and be notified if your comment got the most likes and will be featured in an upcoming video.
Before I try to trim it? Which side on this one hurts?
Yeah, that
this one? Okay.
Yeah, she's working and there's people coming positive there.
Yeah, I know. It got a little quiet right there, didn't it? I was a little bit worried because she still sounded a little bit sick, but it had been about a month since she had had it, so I got over it.
How long ago did you have it?
The week of Father's Day. Yeah, I got it.
In June?
Yeah, in June.
Is this your daughter?
Yeah.
She never got it?
No.
That's good.
Okay, let's give you the answer to that question. Did you know that there's different types of runners? There's heel strikers, midfoot strikers, and runners who run on their toes. Well, you also walk differently. So people who put more pressure on the tips of their toes are going to get more buildup down in their sidewalls because there's more pressure applied to the whole toe area and the nail presses down into the skin.
Boy, that's deep.
Yeah.
So is your pain way back here?
No, it's more on the nail.
More up here?
Yeah, around there. Well, yeah. But we talk every day.
That's good.
Besides the fact that she has really deep sidewalls, you can see the slight discoloration in the nail plate and the white stress lines going down the center of the nail. This indicates to me that the nail is dehydrated from the nail fungus and it's squeezing, starting to try to make a pincer nail, squeezing the sidewalls, pressing them down into the skin. So at the end of the video, we discuss her options for at home. She'll start to use a product that will help get rid of the nail fungus, moisturize the toenail, and these edges should lift up out of the sidewalls of her foot. And those stress lines will go away.
Really pressing into your skin.
Yeah.
Does that feel better? Does that feel like it had a little bit of relief? Or does it still hurt?
Yes, it hurts.
Okay, we're gonna let that soak again. Have you ever had this done to your toes before?
Like a pity?
Thinning them out?
No. This is the first. down there it hurts.
Looks fine, right? Like, are we really gonna get anything else out of there? Maybe? Who thinks there's a creepy little straggler in there? I know it's not the best angle for you to
Get some
see
of this
it,
buildup out, and it'll give you some more space.
but I can totally see it. Don't worry, my efforts aren't fruitless.
So deep. You doing okay?
Yeah. Can you feel it? Can you feel it?
There was just a little bit of buildup underneath there, but I think I'm getting it out. It's good. It's dissolving from the cuticle remover. Yeah, your nail groove needs to stay moist because the nail is so curved down inwards that when it grows, it's running into skin, and when it runs into the skin, it's hurting. But the nail has been cut away more on this side, but it really goes all the way over to here.
Okay.
Your nail does. So you're gonna want to put that nail mycosis on and right down into your nail groove so it stays moist, and your nail will lift up and it'll stop pinching as much.
Okay. So how long do you think it's gonna for that thing to start opening inside?
Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to visit my channel. People like you are the reason for my success, and I appreciate it so much. But remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for all the latest videos. Remember, it is free, and I'll see you next time.